Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of physics to explore the derivation of the third equation of motion. But before starting this video, make sure to watch my previous videos on first and second equation of motion. The third equation of motion relates the final velocity, initial velocity, acceleration, and displacement. It is given by the equation to as is equal to vf square minus vi square. But how do we derive this equation? Let's break it down step by step. We use graphical method to derive equation. Consider same graph which were considered for the derivation of first and second equation of motion. Now, we will find the total area under graph. The shape which is under graph is trapezium. To find the area of this shape, we use area of trapezium formula, which is equal to 1 by 2, sum of parallel sides, multiply by height. From graph we have seen that OA and BD are parallel sides and OD is height. So, area of trapezium becomes S is equal to 1 by 2, OA plus BD, multiply by OD. Multiplying both sides with BC by OD, which is equal to acceleration. S multiply by BC by OD is equal to 1 by 2, OA plus BD, multiply by OD multiply by BC by OD. OD on right side will be cancelled. And we know that OA is equal to VI, OD is equal to VF, BC is equal to Vf minus Vi. Putting values and simplifying above equation, we get to As is equal to Vf plus Vi, Vf minus Vi. From mathematical formula we know that 2As is equal to Vf square minus Vi square. So, there you have it, the derivation of the third equation of motion. Understanding how these equations are derived can provide deeper insight into the principles of motion and help us solve various problems in physics. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching and happy learning.